Welcome back to another installment of Manufacturing in America. Manufacturing companies across the country are making accommodations to stay safe and comply with social distancing policies. One challenge we all face is how to deal with personal storage lockers. Most lockers are multi-tiered and clustered together to optimize space within a facility. They're also often located in departmental workspaces on the factory floor. Here at Stronghold, we have a solution. We're repurposing our old-style family lockers with smaller lockers so that our operators can remain a safe distance apart and access their PPE when they enter the building.
What we did is we had 12 units over in warehouse storage that are two-tier locker units. Right now, throughout the shop, we've got personal lockers at everybody's work areas. So what happens is team members come in, punch in, they have to go all the way through the shop to get to their personal locker. So they don't have their steel-toe boots on, they don't have their earplugs in, they don't have their safety glasses. So what we've done now is we move these lockers right beside the time clock, right outside of the break room. Now when they enter the building, they punch in, they go right to their locker, steel-toe boots, earplugs, safety glasses are on, PPE's covered. Second thing we addressed is we're freeing up some space in line side so that we can put more equipment and parts there to help better the job. Now thirdly, and most important, especially right now, is social distancing. So what we're going to do with these lockers is we have 3 departments. So what we're going to do is we're going to take each person from that department and we're going to stagger their lockers so they're 6 feet apart. We take break 15-minute increments so there's room in between where the guys will be able to go to their locker and still stay 6 feet apart. So what we've done is we've used a little bit of creative thinking, some 2-second lean, and this is something that's going to help us overcome the obstacle of the COVID-19 and social distancing.
Manufacturing in America is about solving problems. We face challenges every day, and we work together as a team to come up with solutions. We're proud to be an American manufacturing company.